A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my lovely students, little angels. How are you? Fine, must. So, how's your revision going on? It's going best. Oh, no problem at all. Very nice. I am glad to listen. Then also, we are going to discuss our model paper of English grammar. So, are my dear students set for that? My dear students, before switching on to the paper, we should go with the instruction. पहले से ही start नहीं कर देना होता है. You should always develop the habit to read the given instruction. Then you should proceed further for the paper. Okay. So first of all, you should read the instruction. Write in clean, neat and legible handwriting. You should always write neat, clean and legible handwriting. And it is must to mention your name and date in the question paper itself, as you will be writing down all the answer in the question paper itself. And the photo shot and the PDF of the given paper you have to submit by 8 PM on the given paper on the day of the assessment itself. उसी दिन आपको submit करना है by 8 PM or before 8 PM. Okay. So these were the instructions that you have to follow. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now we move further. Your first question in the English grammar will be fill in the blanks with is, am or are. The fruit seller dash an old man. We dash like friends. Got it? You have to answer. Next is fill in the blanks with has or have. They dash to go to school. Rani dash golden hair. So either you have to use has or you have to use have. And the third one is add ing to the words given below. आपको सिर्फ इसमें ing लगाना है and you have to write in this given space. One is play, wear and eat. ठीक है? Question number 4. Write short forms of the given words. They are, I will. So आपको इसका short form इधर लिखना है. You will be writing form of the words. Question number 5. Sorry बेटा. Take the correct words in the brackets. You have to read the sentence, think and then you have to tick the correct option given. Chippy the parrot is in or into the cage. Pogo the dog is under or over the table. So you will be doing the tick on the correct words in the given bracket. Question number 6 will be tick the correct words in the bracket, joining words. I like pizzas and but I do not like burgers. Anita sang and or danced on her birthday. So you will be reading and tick the correct option. Question number 7 will be pick the correct doing words from the box and fill in the blanks. See, the help box is given to you. You will pick the correct doing word and you will write over here. Got it? Mother dash tea. Pooja dash badminton. Question number 8 will be take the correct words in the brackets. Again you have to choose either had, have or has. Yashvi had, have, has fever last week. Next one is she have, had, has a test today. And the last one is comprehension. Read the passage given below and tick the correct answer. Manish writes a letter to his sister. She lives in another city. His sister does not have computer. his sister does not have a telephone too. Manish writes a long letter to his sister. In his letter, he tells about his new car. So on this basis, on this passage, you will be asked the question answer that is called comprehension part. ठीक है बेटा? To whom Manish was writing a letter? Next one is, what is the opposite of long? So in this way you will attempt this comprehension. Question number 10, letter writing. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to the Christmas party, or write a letter to your friend telling him or her about your first day at school. This will be your letter writing part. And the last one is essay writing. At least you have to write 8 to 9 sentences on my pet animal or my favorite toy. ठीक है? Can you see? Is that clear, visible? Yes. And the last question will be your essay writing as I told you. ठीक है बेटा? So it was all model paper of English grammar. My dear students, if you have any kind of doubt or problem, you can call your ma'am. Okay? So may I take your leave? All the best for your exams. God bless you.